नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का हमारे शो कनेक्सियो कॉर्पोरेट इनसाइट्स में फिर से एक बार स्वागत है। इस शो के माध्यम से हम डिफरेंट सेक्टर की कंपनियों के बारे में हम डिस्कस करते हैं और इनके स्पेशल इवेंट्स के बारे में आपको अवगत कराते हैं। इसी सिलसिले में आज हम फाइबर वेब के बारे में डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। अभी हाल ही में उनके क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स आए हैं। आज हमारे साथ उपस्थित हैं फाइबर वेब के चेयरमैन एमिरेटस प्रवीण भाई सेठ और कंपनी के रिजल्ट डिस्कशन और एनालिसिस कंपनी के रिजल्ट डिस्कशन के साथ साथ हम उनके फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट को भी डिस्कस करेंगे, फ्यूचर प्लान भी डिस्कस करेंगे। इसी प्रकार हमारे साथ आज मार्केट की जानी मानी हस्ती क्रांति जी भी अवेलेबल हैं। उनका भी हम इस प्रोग्राम में स्वागत करते हैं। अब मैं प्रवीण भाई से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, सर रिजल्ट के बारे में आप कुछ बताइए।
एक्चुअली एक क्वार्टर का रिजल्ट काफ़ी अच्छा आया हुआ है। रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 68%, while operating expenses is increased only by 55%. This shows that the company has been able to control the cost side and also have a better EBITDA margin. The EBITDA has grown by 134% from 2.78 crores to 6.51 crores. And PAT also has grown by 148%. This also is a very big achievement for the company. The EBITDA margin is improved to 22% from 16%, while PAT has improved to 14% from 10%. This also is a very commendable. Our company is totally debt-free company. That you can see from our result that there is no interest cost involved.
सर
This year,
आपके
we have made a provision of this quarter. We have made a provision of 1 crore rupees for income tax also.
ओके सर, इस बार आपके जो रिजल्ट मार्जिन्स काफी इम्प्रूव हुए हैं और काफी अच्छे हैं, चाहे वो बेटा लेवल पे हो या पेट लेवल पे हो, तो इसका क्या मेन कारण है?
मेन कारण इसका ये है कि ये प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी मेल्टडाउन प्रोडक्ट से ज़्यादा आई हुई है। वी हैव गॉट इन टेक्निकल टेक्सटाइल हमारे पास दो प्रोडक्ट है, एक स्पन बाउंड नॉन वन और एक मेल्टडाउन। इसमें मेल्टडाउन की प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी काफ़ी ज़्यादा है क्योंकि कोविड-19 के हिसाब से the demand for mask was tremendous, and as such the demand for our company's product was also very much.
सर जैसा कि आपने अभी कोविड डिस्कस किया है, क्या आप थोड़ा कैन यू जस्ट गाइड अस दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट of your company is helpful to fight with this pandemic?
एक्चुअली मास्क के अंदर हमारी दोनों प्रोडक्ट जाती है, सनबाउंड नॉन वोन भी जाता है और मेल्टब्लोन भी जाता है, मगर मेल्टब्लोन में सुपीरियर क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए क्योंकि N95 मास्क और 99 मास्क के लिए it is very essential that the quality should be proper, BFE should be proper, PFE should be proper, and that only can be achieved if the machine is a very technically perfect machine.
Okay.
In this respect, we have got the best machine at present in India, which nobody else have. And Meltdown and Spunbound both are going there. Plus for PPE kit also, we have got our Spunbound product laminated with the again PP.
सर इस क्वार्टर में आपकी यूटिलाइजेशन लेवल कैसे रहे हैं? बिकॉज बहुत सारे कॉर्पोरेट के प्लांट्स काफी टाइम के लिए बंद थे, तो उसके ऊपर कितना इफेक्ट है आपके दोनों प्रोडक्ट वाइज?
Actually, so far as Melbourne is concerned, our plant was closed only for a week because
Okay.
it is an essential commodity. We were immediately permitted to start the plant. Because this Spunbound was not understood by the people as the essential thing, and they had only permitted 30% of the people to work. As such, the Spunbound started quite late. About 40 days were wasted for that. But now both plants are working perfectly all right.
Okay. Now we have with us Kranti ji. Kranti ji, आपके कुछ सवाल हैं, please go ahead.
Premji, first of all, congratulations for the good set of numbers.
Thank you,
FiberWeb have
sir,
delivered
and welcome.
FiberWeb, FiberWeb have delivered very good set of numbers during these pandemic times. First of all, congratulations to you. I would like to know, sir, how you managed your supply chain management, how you managed your raw material procurement, because the first quarter initial stages, the lockdowns were there. How you could able to procure your raw material, and how you could able to manage your supply chain management.
Our normal practice is to keep 3 months raw material in stock because mostly we are importing the raw material. As such, we keep 3 months stock. So there was no problem for us about the supply of raw material. About the dispatch of the goods, there were some initial problems, but we found out a unique way. We told all our customers that you take it X works the product and the transportation charges you bear it, and with the prices will fix like that. In view of that, it was for them to arrange, and different people arranging their own way. It was easier for them rather than we arranging for everybody. This helped us in continuing the dispatch. Our raw material was sufficient for our, and we always keep in a pipeline the raw material. So there was no absolutely uh, any problem about the supply chain.
Yeah, that's good to hear, sir. Uh, just want to know, can you give brief about your raw materials? What are your key raw materials that you source for your manufacturing?
Yeah, our raw material is our raw material is actually polypropylene, which is crude based thing. Now, polypropylene, both the products are we are using polypropylene, of course, with a different MFI, and for the stock of both the raw material is in a different, so we kept differently, but it is only polypropylene,
Okay.
which is
Given the kind,
importing from very reputed company Exxon Mobil. One and another thing we are importing from Basels, which is Europe based.
that's good to hear, sir. Given the kind of long, prolonged, low crude oil prices, uh, your raw material prices will be favorable for FiberWeb, which will.
Yeah, very much. See, in fact, the it helps in different way because the our products become more competitive, particularly the spunbound, vis-a-vis other products when the prices are low and the demand increases tremendously, giving us a better price for that.
Pravinji, most of the investor and most people in India, they are not aware about the speciality of your machines, what you use for manufacturing of these spun mount and spun mount cloth and the other material. Could you just give a description about how the state of art machinery you use for these manufacturing, in turn that will improve the efficiency and productivity of FiberWeb?
See, actually, the machines, there is a one machinery supplier for spunbound, which is commanding about 90% of the machinery market, and which is considered to be the best, which is a German Rycofill machine by Reifenhofer. This machine has versatility and it runs for minimum 30 years from the time you purchase the machine. And it gives the one of the best quality. Of course, the other machines supplied by China are totally not capable of giving the quality product which the rifle nozzle machine can give. And even the melt-blown machine what we have imported, that also is way, I mean, ahead of the other machines. There are only two machines in India. We have one, and one other one is with the one small party, which also is not the up to our standard. But this melt-blown was not a product which was used in India formerly at all, because main uses of it were actually oil absorbent and filtration, which were used only by the foreign countries. But in India, because of this mask, there is now sudden requirement of melt-blown.
That's good to hear, sir. And how the next couple of quarters are looking for you, because COVID is a surprise thing for everyone. And FiberWeb is the company which has got benefited because of this pandemic. Uh,
See, according to us, the melt-blown product demand is going to remain for a very, very long time. Even in mask as well as in other, of course, other uses are already there. Here, that's why expanding the melt-blown capacity by another 1,500 metric tons, which will give us a double the capacity than what we have got today. So far as the further expansions are concerned, we also have a plan to order for the geotextile machinery, which will, of course, be starting the production only from April 21. So it won't be for this particular year, but that also will contribute from next year. And from next year, June or July, we intend to order for the flat bond, which is our dream project, but it was kept postponed because we wanted to have more strength first, as it is a very big capex, and we are little conservative in our approach so far as the capex is concerned.
that's always good to hear, Pravinji. Thanks for the dividend that you declared this year. Uh, Most of the shareholders are delighted. I just want to know your vision towards FiberWeb uh, in the coming days.
See,
Most
actually, this year
investors,
we have only given 5% dividend only, of course, on the enhanced capital of 28.1 crore. But our vision will be now to give more and more every year to our shareholders. This time we were more interested in conserving the resources, so that for our expansion plan we don't have to much depend on the loan. As you know, we are totally debt-free company, and with this expansion, it is difficult to keep now further expansion. It is difficult to keep debt free, but we would like to have the minimum debt possible and more to invest from the internal accrual, and that is why we have this time given only 5%. But future will definitely be giving progressively more and more.
Pravinji, as you mentioned, Flatbone is your dream project. Okay, could you
Yes.
just elaborate about Flatbone, and what is the usage? What are the key market for this Flatbone, and how you envisage the demand and supply for this Flatbone in the years to come?
Yeah, actually, Flatphone is a why I say is a dream project is because it's a product wherein very, very technicality is involved. In fact, we took 1.5 years to study proper technology, and we also consulted practically, European, US, Indian, all the experts on the issue, because it is about 150 crores investment totally in the project. But the only thing, and we were surprised because the last several years, the demand is say 100%, the supply is only 40 to 45%. There is always a huge gap between demand and supply. And even the prices, if you see, the prices are also about giving a huge profitability. So we were only worried that whether it will continue. But we found out that it is not easy to start a flat bond industry that soon for anybody. Since luckily we have got a very highly trained technical team for last 23 years, and we also consulted various consultants, and we have now come to the conclusion, yes, we can do it, and we will be successful. Second thing is that our own customers are insisting us that you go for it, because they say that at least we'll be certain that we'll get our material from you in time. They are not getting the material at present. So this will be definitely a feather in our cap once the it starts. Of course, if we order in next year, the whole thing will start only in 22. So it's still 2 years away, 2.5 years away, really speaking. But once we go for it, it will be a really take the company to a different height.
Final question from my side, Praveenji. Excuse
Yes,
me.
sir. No problem.
What are the usage of this flat blown technology, and how your margins are going to be sustained in the days to come in the next couple of quarters?
See, this we had a good margin in Elblon because it is going for oil absorbent and filtration, and it is very much in demand. Otherwise, also in throughout the world. So we had a reasonably good margin in this. Of course, with this sudden rise in demand for mask also, it might have given little more better profitability. But we hope that it will continue. There is not going to be much difference in the profitability of the product.
Thanks, Praveenji. Thanks for the information.
No, thank you very much for all of you to take interest, and hope that we all grow together.
Definitely, sir. Looking forward.
So I have
Sorry?
only one more question. Any guidelines
Yes.
for this year? How much growth you see in your top line for this year and coming 2 years?
All the other things starts, there will be a progressively increase of at least 15 to 20% in our turnover as well as in profit.
So with better margin, with the margin intact or with the better margin?
No, with margin intact. At present, margin is intact, and what we are not considering any margin which is superficial margin. All regular margin, taking regular margin in the consideration, I am telling you.
Thank you very much for giving this insight about the company. Hope this will be really useful. And हम आशा करते हैं कि इस हमारे शो के लिए उपयोगी जानकारी से हमारे दर्शकों का मार्गदर्शन होगा और उन्हें कंपनियों के बारे में और अधिक जानकारी मिलेगी। इसी के साथ हम आपसे विदा लेते हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको हमारा शो पसंद आया होगा। हम फिर से जल्द मिलेंगे आपके साथ नई कंपनी, नई इवेंट के साथ। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you.